Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're looking to level up your Excel skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful and time-saving functions, Sumif. Whether you're managing budgets, tracking sales, or analyzing data, Sumif is your go-to tool for adding up numbers that meet specific criteria. No more manual sorting or filtering. I suppose you have watched my sales and profit dashboard that I have used Sumif effectively. I use that table, but very limited rows and columns. You've got a huge list of numbers, but you only want to add up the ones that match a certain condition, like sales quantity or sales value in a particular month. Sounds tricky? Not at all. With Sumif, it's a breeze. Here we can use only one condition if we have more conditions. We need to use the Sumifs function. In this example, I have taken a few rows and columns, so you can understand it very easily. Let's jump to the scenario. I need to get the summation sales value in February. We'll try it. Put an equal sign and type Sumif. You can double-click on it, or you can press Tab key. Cool. You can see the guidance here. It says we need to select the range. There are few ways to use Sumif function to get the same answer, but I am showing 3 ways that can take the same answer using the same function. Alright, it says to select the range. In here range means the column that contains our criteria. That means column B, which contains months' names. Next, you can select your criteria, or you can type it. Finally, the area you need takes summation. Select column D and press enter. Let's check it manually. See, it works perfectly. Next option is you can select the range from column B to column D, and the other things are the same. I do it in the F3 cell. It gives the same answer, but remember to start the range from the column that contains your criteria. The next option is you can use the insert function also. Type here Sumif and hit on go. Select this and click OK. As previously, please select the range, criteria and sum range. See, all answers are the same. It is very easy to use, but this is powerful when you have many lines. Next, I need to know the sold quantities of television in January. I use Sumifs function because there are 2 criteria. See, here it asks to select the sum range at first, that is column C in this example. No worry, select it. Next it asks to select criteria range 1, that means the column that contains the first criteria in your date set. My first criteria is TV, it contains in column A, so I select the column. Please remember to put after each selection. As you see here, it asks to do the next thing when put a comma. Then select or type first criteria. Then, select the criteria range 2 as explained earlier. Let's select our second criteria. In that way you can do this many criteria. Then close the bracket and press enter. Let's check it manually. See, it is the same. You can use the insert function option. Sometimes you may feel the insert function is easy, but I have used the first option. However, the answer is the same whatever the method is used. So, you can choose any option according to your comfort zone. Alright, now I am going to explain a complex situation. So far, I have selected a criteria from each column. In example 1, I have selected just one from column B, that is the summation for February month. In the second example, I have selected one from column A and another one from column B. Now I want to take the sold quantity of TV for January and February. There are 3 criteria. Can we do it using the usual method? We'll see. I consider February as third criteria, and I will develop this till third criteria. It was not a success. I develop the formula as 2 conditions, and in the second condition, criteria select as range, because both are in the same column, that is column B. It comes as an array. That means it is partially correct. Therefore, I add some function to the beginning. See, it works. If you haven't watched this dashboard that has been developed by using Sumif function, please go to the description and click on the link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, drop them in the comments below. We are always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.